From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hello everyone, student meteorologist CJ Cartledge here with your Monday morning forecast. As you can see, a beautiful sunrise over Beaver Stadium right now with the temperature of 28 degrees and calm winds in the region. As you can see, the temperatures for the region here, 28 in State College, 25 here in Harrisburg, and 39 and 40 near the western part of Pennsylvania. As for the temperatures in the Commonwealth, 44 here in Erie, 42 in Pittsburgh, 25 in Williamsport, and 32 here in Pennsylvania. As you can see, the temperature change here in the past 24 hours has been pretty significant here. 27 in Erie for the western part of Pennsylvania, 28 in Pittsburgh, and 28-degree change in Johnstown. And here in the eastern part, we only see 5-degree change and a 9-degree change here in Pennsylvania, 3 degrees here in Harrisburg. As you can see, the wind speeds here in the Commonwealth, it's pretty calm over the midsection of Pennsylvania, and more stronger winds here in the western part of Pennsylvania, 8 in Erie, 9 in Johnstown, and 7 in Pittsburgh as air moves from the south. As you can see here, the temperatures again here, but here's the forecast for the area. Most partly cloudy skies throughout the day as clouds increase, bringing a low pressure system, bringing more rain into the area, heading into Tuesday, and warmer air coming up from the south for the western part of the region, as you can see here, bringing 55 degrees, up to 55 degrees and 50 in Johnstown, 51 in Franklin, and 51 in Erie. And as the rain moves out, we see mostly cloudy skies here in State College, here in the Harrisburg area. Harrisburg gets up to 60, Philly gets up to 64. And as the rain moves out, we see more clouds, and two large air masses come together to bring this massive low pressure system over the northeast, bringing wintry mix to our area into early Friday morning. And watch out for school closings Friday morning due to this wintry mix for most of Pennsylvania. And as this system moves out, we bring more rain into the area as Friday moves on, and more cloudy skies for our Saturday and Sunday forecasts. For today's outlook, we see our 57 degrees here, high 57 degrees, with a mix of clouds and sun, with winds out of the south-southwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour. For tonight, we see a low of 39 degrees as partly cloudy skies persist but increase as the night goes on, and winds stay calm overnight. For tomorrow, we see a high of 56 with a high chance of rain with stronger winds at 10 to 20 miles an hour coming from the south, bringing in that warmer air. And for our 7-day outlook, as you can see, Monday, partly cloudy skies with the rain coming in on Tuesday, bringing in temperatures in the mid-50s as for the beginning of the week. And as the second storm system moves on later in the week, we see the temperatures drop to the mid to low 30s and to mid to low teens overnight as conditions become more calmer throughout Saturday and Sunday. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm CJ Cartledge, and have a good day, everybody.